Hi everyone. Our discussion topic is instruction set of 8086. What is instruction means? It is a set of commands given to the processor in order to perform certain operation. Now let us see the various classification of instruction set. It is classified into 8 main types. They are data transfer instructions, arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, shift and rotate instructions, input and output instructions, branch instructions, machine control instructions, and then loop instruction. Now we can see the basic classification. The first one is data transfer instruction. What is data transfer means? The data is moved from one place to other place, that is from one location to other location. The syntax is represented as move destination comma source. That is, it copies a word or byte of data from a specified source to a specified destination. That is, the destination can be a register or a memory location. Likewise, the source can be a register or memory location or an immediate number. The data is moved from source to destination. See the example, first one, move cx, 037AH. Here 037A is a immediate number, that is 16-bit data. It is moved into CX register. It is also a 16-bit register. So here the immediate data is moved into CX register. See the next example, move BL comma square bracket 437AH. Whereuntil you are seeing square bracket, it indicates the memory location. So the data present in that memory location is copied into the BL register. BL register is a 8-bit register. So the data present in the memory location is moved into BL register. And see the next example, move AX comma BX. Here AX and BX both are registers. Both are 16-bit registers. So the data is copied from BX register to AX register. And see the last example, move DL comma square bracket BX. Here BX is a register and square bracket indicates a memory location. So what is the operation means? It copies a byte from memory at square bracket BX to the DL. That is, we have to calculate the memory location by using the register. And then we have to move the content from that registered pointed memory location to the DL register. Then see the next instruction, exchange destination comma source. That is, it exchanges the content between two registers. See, it exchanges the content of your one register with the content of the other register. See the example, exchange of AX comma DX. Here, what is the operation taking place means exchange of word in AX register with the word in DX register. That is, DX content is shifted to AX content and AX content is shifted to DX register. This is a normal operation taken place in exchange type of instruction. And then the next instruction is LEA. What is LEA means? Load effective address. Its syntax is represented as LEA register comma source. This instruction determines the offset of the variable or memory location named as a source and puts this offset in the indicated 16-bit register. See the example, LEA CX comma memory location BX and memory location DA. See, what we have to do means we have to calculate the memory location by using the base register and the index register, and the content present in that memory location is loaded into the CX register. And then we can see the next instruction, LDS. LDS means load data segment register. Its syntax is represented as LDS register comma memory address of the first word. See, what is the thing happening means the word from two memory location is copied into the specified register and the word from the next two memory location is copied into the DS register. That is, first two memory location is copied to the specified register what we are giving, and the next two is given to the DS registers. It is explained by the example LDS BX, 4326 memory location. And see the next instruction LES. In the previous instruction, you can see the LDS. LDS means load data segment register. Here LES means load extra segment register. What is the operation taken place means here the first two memory locations copied into the specified register and the next two memory location is copied to the ES register. This is the thing explained in the example LES BX, 7898H. The next classification is arithmetic instructions. That is, it is used to perform arithmetic operations like add, subtract, division and multiplication. Then we can see the first type of instruction, add. Its syntax is represented as add destination, source. That is, the data present in source is added with the content present in destination and finally the result is stored in the destination. This is a process actually taken place in this type of instruction. See the next instruction, ADC. These two are similar, but in ADC we have to add the content of source and destination as well as with the carry, and then the final result is stored in the destination. Okay, see the example, add AL, 74H. Here 74H is a immediate 8-bit number and it is added with the AL register content and finally the result is stored in the 8-bit AL register. And the next example is ADC CL, BL. Here we have to add the content of BL register with the content of CL register and with the carry status and finally the result is stored in the CL register. See the next example, add DX, square bracket SI. Where and all you are seeing square bracket, it indicates the memory location. So we have to first find out the memory location and we have to choose the data in that memory location and then we have to add the content in the DX register and then we have to move the result to the DX register. This is an operation taken place in this type of instruction. And then we can see the next type of instruction, that is sub. For subtraction, this instruction is used. Here also we have to subtract the two numbers. That is, these instructions subtract the number in some source from the number in some destination and put the result in the destination. And the SBB instruction also subtracts the content of carry flag from the destination. The source may be an immediate number, register or a memory location. SBB represents borrow. So we have to subtract the borrow. It is explained in the example sub of CX, BX. What we have to do means we have to subtract the content of BX from the content of CX and the result is moved to CX register. Likewise, see the next example. Here 3427 is a 16-bit immediate number. This number is subtracted from the AX register content and finally the result is stored in the AX register. Then we move on to next instruction, that is mul. Its syntax is represented as MUL space source. MUL specified multiply operation. That is, this instruction multiplies an unsigned byte in some source with an unsigned byte in AL register or an unsigned word in some source with an unsigned word in AX register. That is, it multiplies the AX register or AL register content with BX or BL content and finally the result is moved to the destination register. That is explained in the first example, MUL BL. See the next example, MUL CX. Here what is operation taken place means multiplication of AX with CX and the high word is stored in DX and the lower word is stored in the AX. And the next instruction set is IMUL. What is the difference between MUL and IMUL means? MUL multiplies the unsigned byte and IMUL multiplies the signed byte of word or data. It is specified in the example IMUL BX. It multiplies BX with AX and the result is stored in the DX. See the next instruction, that is div source. It is used to perform division operation. Same as like that, this instruction is used to divide an unsigned word by a byte or to divide an unsigned double word by a word. It is represented as an example div cx. What we have to do means divide down word in dx and ax by the word in cx. The quotient is stored in the ax and the remainder is stored in the dx register. And see the next instruction IDIV. Likewise, I already explained in IMUL, this instruction is used to divide a signed word by a signed byte. It is explained in the example IDIV BL and IDIV BP. Next, we move on to next instruction, that is increment type of instruction. What is the purpose means? This instruction adds 1 to a specified register or to a memory location. By doing so, the flags AF, OF, PF, SF and ZF are updated, but CF is not affected. That is, increment operation increases content by 1 by moving on. So that is, for increasing memory location, it adds the content by 1. And the next classification of instruction is decrement destination. What is the operation specific means? It subtracts 1 from the destination word or byte. Increment is used for addition of 1 and decrement is used for subtraction of 1 from the byte or the word. It is specified in the example DECCL. Here CL is a 8-bit register. So what is operation taken place means subtract 1 from the content of CL register. And likewise, see the example for INC. INC CX means it adds 1 to the CX register. Next, we can see the next instruction DAA. DAA means decimal adjust after BCD addition. That is, if you are adding 2 BCD number means, suppose you are not getting the result as BCD means, you have to change it to BCD number. For that purpose, the DAA instruction is used. See, I am taking 2 BCD numbers and then I am adding. Suppose if the lower nibble is greater than 9 means it is not a BCD number. So what we have to do means we have to add 6 to the lower nibble of the AL register in order to change it to the BCD number. Suppose I am getting greater than 9 in the higher nibble means I have to add the number 60H so that only it is transferred into a BCD number. So for this instruction is used. See the example, AL equal to 59 BCD number and BL equal to 35 BCD number. I am adding the two content, that is AL content and BL content. If suppose the lower number is greater than 9 means I have to add 6H. So the resultant is changed to 94 BCD number and the carry flag is in 0 condition. For this I am using DAA instruction. Likewise, for subtraction, you can use the decimal adjust after BCD subtraction. For this, you have to subtract the number 6 from the lower nibble, and if suppose the higher nibble is greater than 9 means you have to subtract number 60H from the AL register content. Okay, that's all about the arithmetic instructions.